and welcome back to my channel. It's so stupid. Anyways, in today's video I am doing this, I don't know, daisies inspired cut crease. Like it kind of looks like daisies. So yeah, daisies is what we'll call it. But yeah, if you want to see how I made this happen, just keep on watching. So as usual, I'm starting with brows, and I'm today using the Paradise Pomade Extatic by L'Oreal Paris. And next I will be priming my lids with the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer by NYX. And now I'm going in with the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place. I will be starting by putting this color in my lid and blending it upwards. Next I will be going in with this color and putting it in my crease. Like so. And now I will be going in a tiny bit with this dark color and put it in my crease also. Well, something like that I think. And now I will go back in with the concealer and I will be putting this on my lid to create a cut crease. And now I think I will be going in with this color and I will be putting it all over my lid. And I'm just gonna go in with that darker color again and put it in my crease just for a little definition. So I will be going in with the liquid Suede cream lipstick from NYX, and this is in the color Orange County. And with this I will place like little dots along my crease. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Next I will be going in with the ink liner in Neruda from Kat Von D. And I will try and start making some petals, I guess, on these dots. It's kind of cute. So this is what I've got so far. I'm definitely no expert at this. Like it looks kind of, I don't know, but it looks kind of cool when I have my eyes open. It's just when I close them, because I just happen to make them really large. But I will try and go back in with another layer of with another layer of the white ink liner, and we'll see if it makes it a bit better or if we should go in with like another color. I don't know. Like so, I think. Now I don't know how I'm gonna fit this, but I will try to go in with this veryme Eye Sparkle liner, which is the only green liner. Which is the only green liner I could find that I owned. But I will try to make some leaves or something. I don't know where it's gonna fit, but yeah. This almost made it cuter, right? Pleasantly surprised. No! It's okay. Maybe I'll try to put some dots of this in the orange. This might fuck the whole thing up, but I feel like the orange alone is a bit, I don't know. Maybe I should go back in with a little white. Well, something like that. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of liner closest to my lash line. And I'll just go in with that green Eye Sparkle liner again. And next I will be going in with the Big Eyes liner from Maybelline. And I'm putting the black side in my upper waterline. And for mascara, I'm going in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara from Oriflame. Like so. And next I think I'll be doing my face, so I will be doing that off camera and I will be right back. Like so, and now I will just put my brows in place. So I'm using the Brow Tamer by Pixi by Petra. And now I'm going back in with the Nubian palette. I will be putting this color underneath my lower lash line. Like so, and I think for my inner corner I will just be taking a bit of this color, like so. And now I'm going back in with the Big Eyes liner, but I'm taking the white side and I'm putting it in my lower waterline. And I'm also going back in with the veryme Extendalash Mascara and I'm putting it on my lower lashes. And to finish off my face, I'm going in with the Infinity palette by Hallberg Cosmetics. And I'm starting by shading, and I'm using the colors Mafe and Cigar. And for blush, I'm going in with the color Andromeda. And for highlight, I think I'm going in with the color Virgil, I don't know how to pronounce it. Like so. And for lips, I don't know if I should go in with the nude lip or if I should just go for this orange. Might look pretty crazy. I think I'm just gonna be a bit boring and go with a nude lip. So I am going in with this lipstick by Medusa's Makeup, and it's called Sugar Daddy, which for me is the perfect nude. Like so. And for lashes, I think I'll be going in with the Dauntless lashes by LA Splash. It's a nice first imitation. But I will put those on off camera as usual, and I will be right back with the finished look. So this, you guys, is the finished look. I actually think that it turned out super pretty and it was super fun to do. Only thing is that the orange liquid lipstick, the ones I made the center of the flower of, they like on the places where they are like most in the crease, where creases, they will transfer onto the white petals, so that's a shame, but you know, that might just be because of the product, or maybe I did something wrong, I don't know. But it still looks super pretty, so I would definitely recommend doing this because it's super fun. Yeah, this look was inspired by a girl called AshGhotCakessTV on YouTube, because she did a sunflower cut crease, which is super pretty. Come on, focus. Anywho, she's super beautiful. And she did a hell of a lot better work than I did. So you should definitely check out her video. I will link it in the description. I don't know how many times I've watched that tutorial. It's just, I love it so much. It's so gorgeous. So this is my take on the look, and it's the first time that I did it. So that's why it might look a bit weird. But like on a distance, like if I look in the monitor or viewfinder, I think that it actually looks pretty great. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up. So subscribe to my channel, give the video a paw up, and leave a comment saying what you thought or what you want to see me. Oh my gosh, stop. Or leave a comment saying what you want to see in the next in a future video, or what you thought about this one. And I will see you in my next video. Happy midsummer. Stupid.